Hello, Flagler County. Bob Pickering here at the Emergency Operations Center with the latest Flagler weather update. Just a reminder, I'm not a meteorologist. All the weather information I present originates from the National Weather Service. Now, the Storm Prediction Center has placed Flagler County under the slight risk for severe storms on Sunday as a strong cold front moves through the area. A squall line will likely move through on Sunday. The highest threat is going to be damaging wind gusts with a lesser threat for tornadoes and flooding and hail. But the better chances are going to be those strong winds. Now look at the timing of this. The best timing is going to be from 2 o'clock in the afternoon to 6 o'clock in the evening for Flagler County on these storms on Sunday. Keep in mind that this can change, but this is going to be your best timing right now. Of course, our highest risk is going to be the strong, squally winds associated with those storms as they come through the county, with a lesser risk for hail and or tornadoes. So a quick review of this, the severe weather potential, the timing is going to be Sunday afternoon. And just one key point, the more sun there is during the day on Sunday, the better chances of seeing strong or severe storms. So if we get a lot of sunshine before that weather gets in here Sunday afternoon, we're going to see a better chance of stronger storms. If it's kind of a cloudy, cooler day, that may actually reduce the risk just a little bit. And again, the chief concern is going to be damaging winds with some of those storms that come through. And again, they could be localized. Some places might see worse weather than others, as typical with these weather systems. The other thing I want to lay on is that this can change. It's important to stay updated as we go through the next few days. Why is all this going on? We got a storm system over here in the central United States. As it pulls off to the east, another low pressure tries to develop here in the Gulf of Mexico. And look at this yellow. This is your risk of severe weather. And that's all over Flagler County in Florida, a good chunk of Florida. And that's our severe weather risk. So again, it'll be warm into the weekend. Saturday, we'll see a pretty decent day, maybe a few showers. And then storms come through on Sunday. Again, some may be severe. Again, stay up to date on that, and then cooler and more settled as we get into next week. So looking at our sky conditions, largely patchy cloud, maybe a few showers as we go into Saturday. The better chances of showers will be on Saturday. High temperature near 80 Friday afternoon. Lows generally in the upper 60s Friday night. So a mild evening ahead. Saturday, patchy cloud, a bit warmer. Shower or two possible, mainly late in the day or maybe during the evening or overnight hours. High temperatures in the lower to mid 80s. Lows generally in the upper 60s, maybe even close to 70 Saturday night. Sunday, a round of showers and storms. Maybe 1 or 2 rounds will come through, but looks like just going to be one. It's going to be that squall line. Some of them could be rather strong and maybe severe. So again, stay up on that and stay up what's going on with the weather on Sunday. Round of storms, most likely in the afternoon. Some of them will be severe. High temperatures getting into the 80s. Lows in the 50s. And again, where the severe storms are going to occur, it's just impossible to pick out right now. Will they hit Flagler County or not? We just don't know, but the risk will be there. So again, stay up on date on the weather, stay updated on the weather on Sunday, and have a way to get warnings. Monday through Tuesday, generally settled and a bit cooler, highs around 70 or so, lows generally in the 50s or 40s. And looks like things stay settled into next week with warming temperatures. At the beaches, surf 2 to 4 feet, surf temperature 65 degrees. Still a moderate rip current risk out there, so look out for that. Make sure you're wearing a sunblock. So folks, you want to stay connected to our warning services. If you're not hooked up yet, get hooked up on Alert Flagler, flaglercounty.org/alertflagler. It'll call you on the phone if there's a weather warning for your neighborhood. Check your weather radio, make sure it's up and running and properly programmed. Check your smartphone, and there's lots of applications, lots of apps you can download to get weather notices. Make sure you got a good one on there, and have a plan of action should warnings be issued. Remember, stay informed. This keyword right here, stay informed, because weather will be changing quite a bit this weekend. Flaglercounty.org, hover your mouse over webcams and weather, get the latest from there. Sign up for Alert Flagler. We talked about the weather radios. Now we're also on channel 492. You can watch us on Spectrum there, and find us on YouTube. Just type in Flagler County. That's going to wrap it up right now. Everyone have a great weekend, and if needed, we will be back at some point over the weekend if that's needed. Have a lovely day.